Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to delete your Gmail account. So let's start without wasting time. Step number 1, open the Chrome browser. Step number 2, search for sign into Gmail account. Step number 3, open the first website. It will pop up something like this and it will ask you to choose your Gmail account or add your Gmail account. Step number 4, sign into your Gmail account by putting your password and username. Then simply click on I agree. Scroll down and click on not now. Here you have successfully logged into your Gmail account in Chrome browser. For login, just click on continue as your account. Wait for a moment, it will automatically log into your account. Step number 5, click on data and privacy and then scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the delete option, delete your Gmail account. Simply click on it. Step number 6, for confirmation and security purpose, put your username and password for the deletion of your account. Step number 7, then scroll down and check the boxes and then click on delete account. Your Gmail account is successfully deleted. For more videos, subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.